In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have your own Todoist account ready to go, so you can start organizing tasks and projects right away. Let's begin from the very start, with a web browser open on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar or search box, type Todoist, and run a search. You should see Todoist's official website to appear near the top of the results. Go ahead and click on that link to open the main Todoist page. Once the site loads, look toward the top right area of the screen for an option that says Login or Sign In. Even though it says Login, this is also where you'll find the Sign Up option. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page that lets you either sign in if you already have an account or create a new one. On this screen, you'll be asked to choose how you want to sign up. Typically, Todoist will give you a few choices. You can sign up using an email and password, or you can continue with an existing account from another service, like a major email or social provider. Think about what's more convenient for you. If you prefer keeping things separate, use a dedicated email and create a new password. If you'd rather sign in quickly without remembering another password, choose one of the single sign-on options. After you've selected your preferred method, just follow the on-screen prompts. If you're using an email and password, you'll usually be asked to type in your name, your email address, and a secure password. Make sure your password is strong enough, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. If you sign up through another account, you may see a permission window asking if Todoist can access basic profile information. Review that, then click to continue. Todoist may ask you a few quick questions to personalize your experience, such as what you plan to use it for or how you manage tasks. These are optional, but answering them can help tailor the interface for you. Finally, complete any confirmation steps shown, such as verifying your email if prompted. Once you finish those on-screen steps, your Todoist account is created.